Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Roblox inventory. To begin, simply navigate to the inventory section on the Roblox website or within the mobile application. This is your personal digital vault, holding all the fantastic virtual items you have collected. You will find everything neatly categorized, from stylish clothing and powerful gear to expressive animations and unique accessories. It is your central hub for managing all your digital possessions. Once inside your inventory, you can easily manage your collection. Click on any item to view its detailed description, creator, and other important information. Want to change your look? Simply equip or unequip items directly onto your avatar with just a few clicks. For those looking to earn some Robux, you can also sell tradable items on the Roblox marketplace, turning your unused assets into valuable currency. Keeping your inventory organized is key to a smooth experience. Make use of the powerful filtering options to quickly narrow down your search for specific item types, like hats or shirts. You can also sort your items by various criteria, such as when you acquired them, their name, or even their value. Plus, you can create and save multiple custom outfits, allowing you to switch your avatar's look in mere seconds. For advanced users, understanding item rarity is crucial, as it significantly impacts an item's market value. Keep an eye on current item trends to spot potential trading opportunities and maximize your Robux earnings. Most importantly, always prioritize securing your account with strong passwords and two-step verification. Protecting your account ensures your valuable inventory remains safe and sound, ready for all your Roblox adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.